In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the Smartsheet owner using the Admin Center, a handy tool specifically for account admins looking to manage user roles and access. Let's get started on this straightforward process that ensures you're effectively managing your Smartsheet environment. First, you need to access the Admin Center. Begin by clicking on your profile icon, which you'll find in the lower left corner of your Smartsheet interface. This area is critical as it serves as your main gateway for all things administrative. Once you've clicked on your profile icon, look for the option labeled Admin Center. Selecting this will open up a suite of tools designed to streamline the management of your Smartsheet activities and user interactions. Once you're in the Admin Center, you'll want to navigate your way to the User Management section. This is where you'll manage users and groups with a particular focus on user roles and reports. Click on the appropriate link or button to be directed to users and groups, and from there, progress to user roles and reports. This section is central to obtaining detailed insights into user access, permissions, and importantly, who owns each sheet within your organization. After you're in user roles and reports, it's time to view the sheet access reports. These reports are incredibly useful and provide an overview of who has ownership or managerial rights over your Smartsheet items. Within this report, you can also take a look at published items, which can be valuable if you're exploring user access or compliance requirements. To generate this report, identify and select the option for the Sheet Access and Published Items report. This action will display a detailed list of items along with their respective owners. As you work through identifying sheet owners, keep in mind the importance of regular audits of this information. Not only does this ensure compliance with your organization's data governance policies, but it also helps in maintaining clarity around project responsibilities and workflows. Once you become familiar with accessing these reports, it becomes much easier to distribute workloads appropriately or adjust access as team compositions change. Finally, it's worth noting that utilizing the Admin Center for tasks like these can significantly enhance your efficiency as an admin within Smartsheet. It's designed to give you the controls and insights needed to oversee your team's collaborative efforts effectively, ensuring your entire environment remains secure and well organized. Remember, staying updated with who holds ownership or admin rights in Smartsheet plays a critical role in fostering a transparent and accountable workspace, and that's all it takes to find the Smartsheet owner using the Admin Center. I hope this tutorial has been both informative and helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more useful Smartsheet tips and tricks.